Yo, Weather Fam! Liam here for your April 16th forecast. Ready? Let's go! Walang bagyo, walang LPA, but it's hot all over the PH today. Dahil sa easterlies, expect sunny skies from Luzon to Mindanao. But wait, may chance ng thunderstorms sa hapon hanggang gabi, lalo na sa Zamboanga Peninsula at Bangsamoro area. So, magdala ng payong, wag pa smooth lang sa lakad. Heat Index Alert, Metro Manila, 41 to 42 degrees Celsius. And Los Baños, Laguna, brace yourselves, 50 degrees Celsius. Danger levels yan mga kabayan. Hydrate, stay cool. Kung pwede, sa lilim muna tayo. Sunset is at 6:10 p.m. So kung magpicture ka man, golden hour feels pa rin. Like, follow, at comment kung saan ka today. This is Liam, your weather bro sa Tropico. Rain or shine, we got you. Manila Weather PH.